What's up guys, it's Zoe from Style of Z and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? So, today we're going to do something different. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my April LiveGlamxMorphe brush subscription. Yeah, before we get into that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So here we have the little card that comes in with it. Every time there's usually a different model and they have a different theme. And today's is Eyes on the Prize. And that's what it looks like. And usually I think there's like 2 or 3 different brush options that you can get. And I usually don't pick one and they just send me a random one. So it says, the collection you've been waiting for. Get ready, glamours, your makeup kit just leveled up. With our new April Morphe Me collection, you're getting 5 eye brushes to create the ultimate looks for any occasion. This firm shadow, detailed crease, deluxe blender, crease blender, and tapered mini blender brushes are definitely something to celebrate. And I just want to comment on that really quick. Brushes, you never really know how many you're gonna get unless you go in and choose which set of brushes you want. So this month it's 5, but other months you could get 3 or you could get 4, you could get 5. It just depends. So let's get the brushes. These are all the brushes and I haven't taken them out of the packaging yet. I do want to go over them with you guys first. So first we have the M506 tapered mini blender. So that one would be this one. And the little descriptions that they have here, they also have on the packaging of it, which I find super cute, and they have the numbers. And on top of that, of course, the brushes do have the numbers on them. So let's get into it. This small and mighty tapered brush is great for controlled blending. Now let's take this out really quick. So this is what it looks like. Small, cute. So yeah, and that's it. I really love, one thing I do love about Morphe is their brush bristles. Soft, not harsh at all. They like never shed, which is just amazing. No matter how many times you wash it, they just don't shed. And they just look so cute. So yeah. And then the next one, the M535 Defined Deluxe Blender. So that one is this one right here. Let's take it out. So it's this one right here. It's kind of rounded at the top. And again, very soft. I love Morphe brushes. So it says, this deluxe blender buffs in crease colors and makes harsh lines disappear in the blink of a winged eye. They always manage to make those descriptions. It was so cute. So yeah, that is our blending brush. Then we have brush number 3, which is the M519 Crease Blender. It is a white brush. And another thing about this subscription, they might also send you brushes that are part of collections. So the way that you will know that they're a part of a collection, if it doesn't start with the letter M, because M is for Morphe. So if it's another letter, it would be the name of the collection. So here we have the M519 Crease Blender, and it says, blend up a masterpiece with this tapered targeted crease blender brush. So this one's more squared, but it's still very rounded at the top. Again, very soft, but is a little tougher. It's not as like smooth. Still very cute. Then the second to last one would be this one right here, which is the M124 Firm Shadow Brush. This firm natural brush delivers color payoff to the max for our boldest babes. So this one's, again, very firm, flat, rounded at the top, and small there. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one for sure. And then our last one, last but not least, is the M454 Detailed Crease Brush. So it says, this oh so talented tapered brush creates precise targeted placement while also diffusing. Okay, so this one is kind of upside V on the top. It's longer than the other ones, I would say. Very soft also, and not firm, definitely not firm, but I like this one. I think out of all of them, I think this one would be my favorite. I really do like this one. Yep. 3, 2, 1. So those are all the brushes that came in my April 2020 collection. I will be doing these monthly, and I will have them as like one series. I really do like the brushes that came in this month, especially because most of them are to blend, and I love blending. So yeah, and this isn't my first collection. I've had a few of these, which is why I have so many Morphe brushes. Before this subscription, I had literally one Morphe brush, and then after that, all the type of brushes that I want is Morphe. I love it, and this is not sponsored. So yes, and my goal one day is to have all Morphe brushes. That is the only collection I want to have. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.